Hello everyone. Today we're talking about the HL15 and we're talking about the cable choices you have in the HL15. This video here is for those who are looking at or have purchased or in the middle of purchasing the chassis only order or the chassis plus PSU order. If you bought a full build or are thinking about buying a full build, you don't really need to watch this video if you don't want to, because it comes pre-wired. Everything's all figured out for you. It just shows up and it works. So what I want to talk about is the various cable choices you have, because remember, the HomeLab is your HomeLab server. How you choose to connect everything is up to you, and we want to try to make that as easy as possible. So what we're going to do is we're going to break down each of the cable set offerings we have and what you could plug those into. Before I dive into that, I want to talk about this wonderful thing. This is the HL15 backplane. It's also the same backplane that we use in all our hard drive enterprise units. It's a SATA SAS capable backplane. 15 hard drives can get plugged into it, or SSDs with caddy adapters. But the relevant point with this part's video is the connector type underneath. These have 4 SFF 8643, or in human language, mini SAS HD connectors. Little rectangular guys. That's what I really like to call them. Whatever cable you end up choosing, it'll always have to plug into this side. So there'll always be a mini SAS HD side. The other side of the cable, that's where the fun is. That's what you get to choose what it plugs into, whether it's a motherboard, whether it's your HBA card, or any combination in between. So let's break down each of the cable sets so you can get your HomeLab working the way you want it. Okay, let's talk about data cable set F. This one's cool. This is a little bit different than all the other ones. It contains 2 of these cables. These are a 2x8643, so the mini SAS HD, so 2 of these into one slim SAS, or 8654. What these are used for is to plugging into something that supports the newer slim SAS connector. So same idea as before. You plug into here. Remember, this one's different than the other one because of how many lanes are allowed on this slim SAS connector. You only actually get 2 of these cables because that's all you need. And then, so what would you plug this into? Well, you could get a HBA card that supports slim SAS and plug in like that. Or you can get a motherboard. This motherboard doesn't have the connectors on it, but a lot of the newer motherboards coming out have slim SAS connectors directly on them, and you can plug into that too. So that is data cable set F. You've got 2 of the mini SAS HD, 2 cables where each cable has 2 mini SAS HD to 1 slim SAS.